Okay, so for the sugar experiment, I chose Chips Ahoy Original Cookies and a can of Dr. Pepper soda. We're going to look and see how much sugar is in each of these containers. Serving size for the cookies is 3 cookies. There's roughly 11 servings in this whole container. And the total sugars for one serving is 11 grams. So, for the 3 cookies, which is one serving, is 11 grams of sugar, which is roughly 3 teaspoons of sugar for 3 cookies. If you were to eat the whole package of cookies, it is 11 servings, approximately 33 cookies, and 33 grams of sugar in here. That's how much is in the entire pack of cookies. In a can of Dr. Pepper, this says serving size 1 can. There are 39 grams of sugar in this can. So this is Dr. Pepper, 1 serving, 1 can, 39 grams of sugar. So this is how much sugar is in 1 container or 1 can of Dr. Pepper. When eating these sugary snacks and beverages, you want to try to reduce the intake of them, so not eating and drinking them all the time. You want to try to reduce the frequent times throughout the day that you do it. Instead of sipping on a soda all day long, try to, when you open it, just finish it quick and give your teeth a break. Basically, the sugar and acids in these foods eat away at your enamel, and which weakens it and can cause sensitivity. It can cause dental decay. It can cause cavities. Other things that you can do on a daily basis besides reducing the intake and the frequency of these foods is if you'll brush your teeth and floss 2 times a day. Use a fluoride toothpaste, which will protect you against cavities, and it will also help strengthen that enamel. Another thing that you can try is after you do eat, you can try eating some cheese afterwards. Cheese helps the saliva's pH return back to a normal level, which will, in return, reduce the risk of having issues with dry mouth or getting cavity. You want to try to keep your saliva pH at a normal range. Things like dry mouth or from taking medications or anything like that, having dry saliva or saliva that's off in pH can cause dental cavities. And then once you consume these foods, if you will, give a 30-minute break after consuming them because they do weaken your enamel, and you want to give it time for a little bit of remineralization to happen before you go in there and just scrub on some weak enamel. So yeah, even though these foods do contain sugar, if you reduce the amount of times that you have them, try not to eat them frequently, and don't be snacking on them all day long, and brush your teeth, you will be at a lower risk for dental caries.